Hello guys, it's Ashwin. Welcome back to YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Maono AU-A04 model. I have brought in some accessories with it. I'm also going to help you how to set up this studio model. There's a link in the description if you want to purchase these goods. Without any further ado, let's broaden the aspect. We are going to use the Hawk Shock mount, the SM02 Hawk Total Music Solution stand, that's the HMS65 and external pop filter. So guys, this is the Maono AU-A04 model, which comes around 3000 rupees in India. The diameter is around 16 mm and the frequency rate is from 30 Hz to 16 kHz. The box includes some accessories. Also, there is a USB A to B cable, which is 2.5 meters long, a tripod stand which includes a microphone installation ring. To my preference, I would suggest you all not to use a tripod stand, because if you use the stand on the table and there is any disturbance in the surrounding, there will be a loss in the connection as the mic sensitivity is too high. So I would prefer to use a shock mount with a stand, where shock mount comes around 1.5k and a stand is of 1000 rupees. You can also use the widescreen pop filter in the box, but I would prefer to use a different one which comes around only 400 rupees. So in total the accessories is around 3000 rupees only. Now how to set up this condenser mic with the cable given in the box. Connect one side of the cable in the mic and the other in the laptop or PC. Then change the setting by clicking on Use Condenser Mic. Then it's all good to use. You can use any software with which you are comfortable with. As for me, I'm using GarageBand. That's all from my side. If any question, comment down in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to help you all out. There's a link in the description to purchase these goods. If this video was helpful enough, please subscribe to my channel, and I've also made a video on a smart mini projector, so you can check that out too. Thank you for watching.